welcome to another vlog. Today we're going to Harry Potter World, Harry Potter World or Harry Potter Studio Tour. And yes.
I wish we were going to Harry Potter World.
Yeah. But we are ready to go, as you can probably tell. But it's the 1st of December, which means we need to do our advent calendars. So let's go and do it. This is the first advent calendar. Here is number 1. We've got a sack of presents. How cute. Advent calendar number 2 and number 1 is just up here. Now I've got to try and pick this off. Oh no, I've ripped it. And, oh no, it's just not, it's not opened very well. I've ripped it, it didn't come off. Oh, there we go. Ruined that bit slightly, but it's December. Christmas is coming. We got this advent calendar, Kevin the Carrot. I'm obsessed. Like, Aldi's done a great job with their marketing. But we got to find number 1. So number 1 is on this guy. So let's do him next to the carrot. This is number 1. Do you know what? Doing this with nails is really freaking hard. And there's 2 little carrot faces underneath. And then on the chocolate is, I don't actually know, a carrot. It's Kevin the Carrot. That's quite cute actually. These are also all set to number 1. And then we also have the Lindor one, which number 1, guess what this is going to be? And this is what we got. We got the little reindeer. So this is the OT outfit of the day. Got this Christmassy type jumper on, some leggings and my Ugg boots, and the socks are from Pretty Little Thing. Just all cozy. And then I'm going to take my big grey coat because it's absolutely freezing. But let's go to Harry Potter. We're going to go to Tesco's and grab some croissants first though, so everyone gets a morning snack because it's literally 9:15, so everyone gets some breakfast in the car on the way. Our thingy's at 10:15, so let's go. We made it to Harry Potter World. It's not even Harry Potter World, it's the Harry Potter Tour. It's freezing, I'm not gonna lie, it's so cold. Look at the massive tree outside the front. We're a bit early, our actual appointment's 11. But I'm gonna go in and hopefully sit in the cafe because it's so cold. I've just seen Moaning Myrtle in the toilet.
Yeah, please, yeah. So, you want 3 of them?
What have you got? Coffee. Yeah. Gone for the frog hot chocolate and butterbeer profiteroles.
Not there. It's in a long hall where we were. It was. Yeah, it's draft this time. I think someone ran the door or something. £70.
Cupboard under the stairs. Go on, get in, Charlie.
Yeah, the kids, you know. Bed under the stairs.
Yeah.
There we go. So you're going to grab a little bit of the door as well. Brilliant. So the 3 of you are going to turn around, smile. We're going to be the first ones to greet you with the same words that Harry heard when you arrived at the castle. Welcome to Hogwarts. Shall I see a bit of gender bridge for me? There we go. Happy birthday. And do come on in, everyone. As this
Into the forbidden forest we go. The only thing is, if there's any spiders, I'll lose it.
Can't make any promises.
Yeah, I just follow it.
We're going in Privet Drive's house. Just had our butterbeers. Charlie didn't.
I did not.
Tree and a blow up woman.
I'm not standing.
Bring my coffee, boy.
Yes, Uncle Vernon.
Bring my coffee, Charlie. Charlie, get out the vault. You're not allowed in the vault, it's not yours. It's Harry's.
Oily powder paint. It just tints the glaze and makes the glaze.
So bringing out the ice and those, so we get with him and bounce off him. We can make it look like his foot is standing on top of the treasure, and that he's actually being lifted from that.
We're on Diagon Alley.
Come back from King's Cross. Need to pick up something.
We've arrived at Hogwarts in the snow. It's very nice. As you can tell, it's a little while later we're in bed. A lot while later probably. But we had a curry and watched I'm a Celeb and watched this new episode, Click and Collect. Recommend.
It's actually not new. It came out in like 2018.
Yeah, but it's new on Netflix. So we watched that. It's actually quite good. Probably recommend that to Brendan on Christmas Day and watch that for a laugh. But anyway, we'll see you probably Sunday because we're getting the real treat tomorrow. So see you, no actually it'll be Thursday. We'll see you at some point. Hit the bell, subscribe, do all the things because we're getting the real treat tomorrow. And I hope you enjoyed the Harry Potter vlog. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.